Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to swap a flow turbine on an Ideal Logic Combi 35. Now I've had to drain the boiler because I'm doing additional works as well. But the basic premise of this is, see that one there? This is what we're swapping. It's in here. So we need to remove this sensor on here, which is normally just on a clip. Just get your screwdriver behind there, prise it out and lift it off. Quite easy. You can take this sensor out. It's just got a plastic cap on it. So, which is down here, look. And that just literally prises off that plastic connection. And then what we want to do is isolate the water underneath. Drain the hot tap. I've had to switch to cold off because I'm doing additional works, but isolate your cold inlet there and drain the hot tap, normally by the lowest tap. Quite easy. Always be safe, guys. Always turn the gas off and the power as well, just to be safe, because you never know who else is in the building or what else is going to happen. Before we start to take this off, there is a siphon that goes here. You just literally pop it off there, twist it and pop it off, taking care not to spill it all over your PCB. And obviously you have got a connection which goes onto there, like so, which is just literally a clip on the back, and you just pop it off. Quite easy, the connection off the pump. Now we're going to unwind this turbine. As you can see, somebody's tried to fix it before, but clearly it's not working because they're getting intermittent hot water problems. The reason we're swapping this is because the customer's getting intermittent hot water problems. Okay, also what another issue can be is that you'll have shale in the plate heat exchanger, which would mean you'd have to undo these two Allen keys here, pop it off the back and give it a good shake in the kitchen sink. Fill it with water, shake it, fill it with water, shake it, empty all the shale out. Don't go for just replacing these all the time, because 9 out of 10 it just needs a good clean out. So let's go ahead and take this turbine out now, making sure you've got paper towels down to catch any loose water. Normally you would be able to get to 18.5 spanner on there, but clearly, as you can see, it's been worn off over time. So nothing like a good old pair of grips, which we're just going to get onto there and slowly undo. But I'll have to pop the camera down until I get it started. Okay guys, a nice simple trick. Always remember the basics. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So we're going to turn it left until it all comes out. Nice and easy. Sounds silly, but you can never forget it that way, can you? Because some people do forget. I think we've managed to get all the water out of the tap, which is a good sign. But I'm not going to cross my fingers too soon. But normally it would start to pour out by now, because these seals aren't very good on this. As you can see, it's already been taped up by somebody. There we go. Another quick tip, guys, if you're still unsure it's not this that's gone, you can actually, on the new one, if you blow in here, you'll hear the turbine spin. Again, you can put a cloth over this, or a sleeve, or just put your lips on it like I do, and blow down this to see if this one's spinning also. Another quick tip, that's how you can tell. There's your new one, guys, and we're just going to screw this bad boy back in. Hopefully no issues, we'll have it sorted. So nice and tight, guys, then just do the top up with your spanner. Now we're all nice and safely back in, guys. We're going to turn the water back on and make sure we've got no leaks before we go any further. So there we go, we're filling the system back up. It looks like we've got no leaks, which is a good thing. Always remember to vent your taps, guys, once you turn the water back on. Because if you don't, you know what can happen. And if you don't know what can happen, then I suggest you call somebody that does. Just to be safe, guys, okay? Once you're in the boiler and you've removed the siphon and everything else, or whatever parts you remove, just take a look around as well. That's what makes good service, customer service. Just take a good look around, see what else needs replacing. As you can see, the rubber on here is gone, so I'm going to have to order a new part for that. You can also just take a look around the case, see what you can see. To make sure you put things back in reverse order, like the siphon that goes back in here. You put the siphon back the right way, so it slots back onto that rubber. It slots back into its groove under here. like so, like that. These can be quite tricky, guys, so just make sure you've got it on this rubber here, and this sits on the plate nicely. And of course you can see from underneath through these little grip holes here if the rubber's actually gone on, because they can be quite awkward, guys. So there we go, guys, all working nicely. Nice hot water coming through the tap, and we're all sorted, we're fixed. You've replaced the hot water turbine. So don't forget, guys, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.